Hello everyone, welcome to Study Guide Forum. Today we'll be looking at a question that has to do with reaction between ammonia gas and oxygen. So in this question it said that 30 cm cube of ammonia bonds with oxygen according to the question below. This is the question we have there. And then it said calculate the volume of oxygen required for the combustion and the volume of nitrate 2 oxide produced. So from the chemical equation we have here, you can see that 4 moles of ammonia react with 5 moles of oxygen, then to produce 4 moles of nitrate 2 oxide. So in that case, from that chemical equation, we can say that 4 cm cube of ammonia gas will need 5 cm cube of what? Oxygen. So in that case, since we are looking for the volume of oxygen that to bond completely with 30 cm cube of the gas, so what we'll do here is that then 30 cm cube of ammonia will then be 5/4 times 30/1. So that will give us equal to 37.5 cm cube of what? Oxygen that will be needed. So from that, having done that, we look again from the equation, because in every balanced equation you can detect what is likely to happen in any chemical reaction. You understand? That is talking about the stoichiometry of the reaction. Now we know that in this balanced chemical equation, it will tell us what we need to find out. The stoichiometric ratio of this is 4, 5, 4, and 6. So since we are looking for the volume of nitrogen 2 oxide that will be produced, if you look at the stoichiometric ratio of the reaction, we find out that 4 cm cube of ammonia will give us 4 cm cube of what? Nitrate 2 oxide. So that means the volume we are looking for, this volume now, 30 cm cube of this ammonia will also give us 4/4 times 30/1. This will give us 1 times this. We'll have 30 cm cube. 30 cm cube of what? Of nitrate 2 oxide. So that is what we're going to get at the end of the reaction. Thank you so much.